The gear I am using today is D7100 and a 300mm lens. My camera settings are shutter speed. I use 400 because the birds are very fast. As you all know, bird photography isn't easy. So the results don't always come as a sharp photo. So you need to have a lot of patience to click good photos of birds. I am here at a very big park. There might be a possibility where I might find a lot of birds. A very nice park. I like to come to this park because it's the best place to click all the birds. I often come here for my bird photography. Guys, I just spotted some very beautiful birds right over there. Come on, let's click them. So, that's a great egret over there, and I'm not sure what that brown bird is. Let me just click and see if I know the name. Well, it's a clear photo, and here it is. I'm not sure what it's called. It looks like an egret though. Over there, as you can see the white birds, those are called great egrets. Okay, so let's go click that bird there. Oh, they flew away. And I just saw another bird flying right over there. So maybe we might have a chance to click that. Yeah, there is some water there. So, not sure. There might be some birds somewhere. Oh man! Guys, I just found a falcon over there. Let me just click it. Wow, wow, wow. Look at that falcon. Whoa. Just look at that. As you can see, it's sitting right there. Just up in the sky. I'm not really sure if it's a falcon or an owl, but let's go click it with a closer view. Oh. I think it's gone to eat one of the egret. Oh, the falcon has just gone over there. There are so many birds today. It was raining today a lot. Maybe that's why the birds have come. Wow, look at that. Look at all those eagles there flying high up in the sky. Wow, that is so cool. We might see some animals and birds. Maybe even dragonflies. They're just flying all over there. They all are flying there, dragonflies. And now we are going to go in the tree where I usually spot all my birds. I can hear some noise of a woodpecker. I think it's near. I think it's close. The voice is coming from there. I think we are close to the spot. My very first woodpecker. I have not seen a woodpecker ever. Though only two times I have seen a woodpecker. But I didn't get a chance to click it. I think it's there. Could be some other bird. It's a rainy and a lovely day. There might be a chance of me finding a lot of birds over here. They might be in a happy mood. Guys, can you see that thing over there? It's a very cool kind of a dragonfly. I'll just click it and show you. That takes a lot of time to click. Hey, where's it gone? Wow! Guys, look at this dragonfly. Isn't this kind of a cool dragonfly with so many colors? It has 3 colors, but it does look cool. It's just sitting right there. I'll click some more shots of it and then we will just see. There it is. Oh, right now I am at the playground. There might be a chance of spotting some butterflies here and ladybugs because last time I came there were a whole lot of butterflies and so many ladybugs. So come, let's go find them. Guys, I can hear some birds and I just saw one of them. Oh, wow. Guys. Wow, look at this. Just look at it. Wow, this is such a good photo. But that bird, wow. It sounds like they're in that tree. Oh, wow. There's another one of them. All those are gone in that tree. Come here, let's click them. These birds, I'm not sure what they are called, but they're pretty fascinating. Guys, a few days ago, I came to this park and I discovered a new spot. I came here and I saw one tree where there were so many birds. After that day, I named that tree a bird tree, and there it is. Even though it is pretty bored and has no leaves, it doesn't disappoint me if there are no birds. Every time I come here, there is one bird at least. Look over there. There's one swindle right there. It does look cool. Everything in this park is so cool. And I can hear some noises coming from there. Come, let's go check them out. They might be there. Oh wow, look at that. A yellow-billed babbler. There are 2 of them. There might be more. One's just right there. 3. There are so many birds right here. Come. There might be some more. Even I have spotted this place some days ago and it does look pretty cool. There are some birds here. And do you know what I found? It was something so cool. I found a bulbul's nest with its blue colored eggs. It's right on that tree. That's strange. I don't see the nest where it is. The nest was just right there. I don't know where the nest could have gone, but I'm pretty curious to know where it has gone. Oh, look at that tree. Its shape is so different. So it does have the shape of a tree, but look at that. Look at all these things. The things those are coming down. I'm not sure what they are actually called. But it does look pretty cool. Wow. I love this park so much. Guys, I want to show you something very cool. 2 laughing doves are just sitting over there. Come, let's see them. So, here they are, the 2 laughing doves. Over there. Can you see that there? Wow, that does look cool. I'll just click it. Oh, but they're over there. I can still click it. I got a shot, but I was against the light, so I still got it a bit clear. So that was very cool, and look at all these flowers over here. Even I can't click these flowers. They look cool. Today was the best day to come in the park here. These flowers are so beautiful. Let me just smell them. They don't have a smell, but they are so beautiful flowers. Whoa. Guys, the best part here about the park is you find many birds and animals. If I tell you all the birds and animals I have seen here, it will take me a long time. Let me just tell you the things we mostly see here. We see bee-eaters, dragonflies, sunbirds, black drongos, egrets, doves, pigeons, and we also see a lot of bulbuls and kingfishers. We see a lot of more things, red dragonflies here, and a lot of squirrels, ladybugs, and lots more. Guys, I am so loving it here in the park. It's such a good weather, so many birds, animals, dragonflies, almost everything is here in the park. Hey guys, I'm at the park and I'm having a lot of fun. Oh, there's a tiger there! Sorry, I'm just kidding.